What's up everyone? My name is Dong and welcome back to my channel. As you can notice, we're wearing our summer outfits because we're here in Hawaii! Yeah! Hyper nyo ah. May tulog kayo?
Wala.
Since wala pa kaming tulog at lumaban kami agad, we're just gonna have a coffee para magising kami sa gala namin ngayon.
Wow, that's huge.
Cute naman ito.
Vanilla latte, ice.
Hindi ko pa kayo napapakilala sa mga best buddies ko sa PAL. So, this one is Shell. And this one is Hannah. During training, sila yung best buddies ko. Up until now, sila yung bid buddies ko. We arrived here at 8:30 here in Honolulu kasi 6 hours time difference natin. So, dyan sa Pilipinas, we arrived at 2:30 AM. We just napped for about 2 hours. Buti nga kayo natatakpan nyo yung mga dark circles. Ikaw dila ka ng dila kanina. Got a vanilla latte. What did you get?
I got an iced large skinny latte.
How are you?
Iced vanilla latte.
Cheers! Cheers! Siyempre diba kagagaling ko lang mag-beach tapos ngayon mag-beach na naman. Naugnog ulit. Now we're just on our way to Waikiki. Waikiki, do you love? So it's just a walking distance from our hotel. Hindi pa kami kumakain. It's time for breakfast na sa Pilipinas. May nakita na silang store na mga damit na pambabae. Tingnan mo tong dalawang to. Ayan, sisilip na sila. Ay, patay na. Ay, na demonyo. Ito na nga sinasabi ko.
$18 and then 80%.
Tuwang-tuwa na naman tong dalawang to sa 80%. Next store. Yan na, second store. But siguro may mabibili ako dito kasi may mga souvenirs. Let's go! Watch your step.
Bibili na ba tayo, Chen? Pamayat na tayo bumili.
Yeah.
11 pa naman.
So, pangalawang shop pa lang ang nakita namin and we already spotted 6
shirts.
6
For
shirts
$20.
for $20. Patay tayo na sa mga gastos natin. Pero, actually, pag first time ko naman talaga sa isang place, tapos pagkasama ko yung mga batchmates ko, hindi ko minamind yung gastos.
What is money paper on? It's the Hawaiian version of Halo Halo.
What?
Halo Halo!
Corny makasya.
Push mo yan, Dan.
Mabifeel mo talaga yung summer theme because the people are wearing summer outfits.
Kahit ikaw lang.
Kahit ako.
Kahit naka-t-shirt lang. Kahit naka-t-shirt lang sila. Ikaw dito lang. May mga pine trees.
Mentis ba to? Alam mo, pansin ko talaga pag crew nagsabi na walking distance, yung walking distance iba eh.
30-minute walk.
Sa beach. Ayan yung beach nila. Pero sobrang daming tao pa. Anyway, naghahanap muna kami ng restaurant para kumain. Pasensya na talaga kayo sa mata ko kasi wala pa talaga akong tulog. Pero sobrang hyper. Because I got coffee. So now we finally decided where to eat. And we're here at Cheeseburger in Paradise. And then for your cheeseburger, I'll be right back with the drinks for you. Okay, thank you. I got pineapple smoothie. She also got pineapple smoothie. She got beer at this early hour. Okay. Sarap naman. Yay! Thank you, sir. What did you get?
I got the It's All Good burger with a guacamole on top.
What did you get?
Got an island style cheeseburger.
First meal of the day, guys, right?
Yeah.
Kaya muna kami. Busog. Busog. Heading out to the beach and we're gonna find a spot to chill. Picture tayo somewhere! Sayang naman yung outfit natin. That's most important part during a layover. Dapat may picture ka pang Instagram. Am I right?
Aba, syempre.
Ayan na, sa store na naman kami. I really like these. May tradition kami every time na lumilipad kami together, the three of us.
We buy something.
We buy something na similar every time na may layover kami. So we're thinking about this tumbler. Time natin na layover saan nga?
London.
No, Sydney.
Sydney.
Ano yung binili natin doon? Yung the wallet. Kangaroo wallet. And then, the next layover we had was London. Then we bought... Wala tayong binili sa London.
Ano tayo binili sa London?
Wala. Next one is LA. Then we bought the Universal Studio Cap. And then sa Toronto, yung bracelet.
Bracelet na may
leather.
pangalan.
Yeah. And then, ito na lang ngayon. Hindi pa namin ma-decide kung ano yung
kaya?
bibili namin. We're thinking about the tumbler. May spot na kami na pipicturan muna. So tatahakin namin yan. Tatahakin talaga. Dito sa Waikiki. Do you love me? Are you riding? You never ever leave from the sunny. Since wala tayong magawa muna kasi yung isang friend natin sobrang busy pa. Wow! Nagsasalita na siya sa vlog.
Nagsasalita na nga, binati mo pa. Mamaya puudila na naman ang kita mo dyan.
Pack up na guys. So let's proceed to the next location. Dun tayo sa may ano. Let's go there somewhere. There. We're going on a trip. I don't know the lyrics. Rocket ship. Welcome to the sky. Little Einstein. Sobrang daming tao na dito. We're just heading to the store to buy souvenir. Are we buying souvenirs first? Yeah. We still have an hour before sunset. So we're just gonna wait on that. So right now we're just crossing the street and we're gonna find a store where we'll buy beer.
Beer. Not for me though. I don't drink.
Yan, ito nakaupo na kami sa buhangin. It's time to chill.
Video ba yan?
Video!
Ano ba yan?
Ang ganda ng sunset dito guys. Ayan. Ay, hindi na makita. Ayan. Yun. Ganda. Ay, sana ganito lagi ang lipad. Hawaii palagi. Ganda dito. Feeling bakasyonista talaga palagi pag dito sa Hawaii. Ang ganda! Cheers to good life. Cheers, Hannah. Where's your drink? Cheers! So, meron silang parang night performance here. Ayan. La. Yeah, work it baby. Twerk it baby. Ka.
Ayaw tumawa.
Sige, ayusin mo. Sige, lakad ka. Yan, lakad. Yan. Oh, sige.
Gusto yung hawak-hawak mo yung hair mo ha.
Oh, sige, naglalakad ka. Lakad!
Kanya iniisip.
Yeah. Yan. Ayan, ayan. Sige, picture. Sige. Ayan.
Video yan o.
She's got everything. I've got
Eh, pinagalitan. Picture sana siya with the surfboard. Kaso pinagalitan siya ng lifeguard. Ay, fresh.
Sino ginagaya ko? Sino ginagaya ko?
Sige nga.
Diba? Diba? Actually.
Paano?
Ha?
Paano?
I love my job.
Eh,